This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, all right. Let's continue the same topic, business rules. First of all, let me finish before business rule and last exercise. Then we can move to another business rule called after business rule. Okay, let's get started quickly. Exercise number 6. User should not delete incident ticket when incident status is new. For example, a customer is opened one incident ticket, that status is new. So action should be abort. System is not allowing to delete any record in new state and need to be display the message user should not delete incident ticket. So how to achieve it? And go to open new form, right click, configure and business rules. And create new business rule. And take the name of this business rule. User should not delete. User should not delete. And the table has selected by default incident and advanced tab, then only we'll be able to select the one before. So this business rule get executed before deleting the record. What is the operation customer is going to performing? Delete. Already we see insert and update and delete, right? Remaining two, right? So now when customer try to delete incident ticket, so with the status of new, and the system will be check the condition state is new. Okay, so then we can perform the action and add message. That message we can copy over here. User should not delete incident ticket. New state. Take this message and I want to do this one through scripting, not out of the box. Go to advanced view and write the code. So when customer try to delete a new incident ticket, if the state of new, okay, so immediately system should be about the action and it displays the information message. First of all, how can you about action current dot set about action, set the parameter true. Yes, action should be aborting, and meanwhile I want to display the message. Just add error message. What is the message you want to display? User should not delete incident ticket in new state. And ends with semicolon, save as of. And then open one more duplicate. And you can check it out. Incident, go to all, open any new incident ticket. The state field is not here. Let me add the state field. Click on OK and open any new ticket. Yes, and try to delete it. So when customer try to delete this particular incident ticket, immediately before business rule get execute and check the condition. The deleting record status is new or not. The deleting record status is new. System will be about action. Click on delete. You will get the message. Click on delete. So user should not delete incident ticket in new state. Clear? Okay. So this is about before business rule. Before business rule get execute. So when you are going to perform any operation before saving the data. So when customer submitted the form, the data is not saved immediately. Before saving the data into the table, it will be checking the condition. If the condition evaluation true, then perform the respective operations. Okay. Now let's move to after business rule. Here we need to know the small difference between before and after. Every business rule get execute after submit the form by customer. So when customer submit the form, okay, so data is not saved immediately in before business rule, but after business rule is not like that. So when customer submit the form, data will be saved into the database or table immediately, and the after business rule get executed as per the condition. So working with after business rule, after business rules will get executed after the user submit the form and after any action is taken. Action will be taken immediately, but another action will be like a performance on the table. So just you can follow the major use cases of after business rule. So it is showing error and like information messages after creation of updating record, and create incident task after creation of incident ticket, and create the problem after creation of incident ticket, update the work notes of child instance when the parent work notes are updated. So when you updated parent work notes, automatically child pair like work notes also need to be updated. And create knowledge article after close the incident, delete all associated records after deletion of the parent record. So we can do this all operations apart from like this one after business rule. So after business rules without scripting. Okay, let's start working with exercise number 7. We should display information message after creation of new incident ticket. The message is new instance has been created. Okay, how to do it? And go to a new one. Right click. The requirement is when you created new incident ticket, immediately I want to display the message. So the new incident has created like that. And business rule. UI policy is completed. Data policy also completed. UI action also completed. Notification also completed. Okay. So two are the pendings. Dictionary also complete. Dictionary like entries, table, all everything is completed. Only pending is that. What is it pending here? Almost all complete, right? Notifications. Notification already completed. Security rules. It's ACL. After complete business rules, we can start working with security rules. Go to business rules. Click on new. As a ServiceNow developer, maximum we are working with these all the components on the form view, right? So business rules, client scripts, UI actions, notifications, these all, and provide the name of display message for new incident, and select advanced tab. And here we have to select after and pass the next order number 500. When you inserted a new record into incident table, okay, that may be inserted or updated, okay, then display the information message. I'm not going to writing any scripting. Directly I can take that message and keep formatting. So new incident has been created, and then save it. And you can check it out how it's running this business rule. Let me create one new incident ticket. Okay, so when customer submitted this incident ticket, data will be saved first in database or table. Then after business will get execute and display the message. Click on save it. Data will be saved immediately, then display the message. New incident has been created. And if you want to display the number also, you can be able to display the number as well. It's a simple business rules which is related to after. Okay, now I'm going to working with scripting. We should display information message and a caller and
Srinivas,
incident
I have
number. Yeah,
one
please.
question. Like when you are creating that business rule, right? The order you are
Yes,
giving 500. So how do we know like which number we have to give? Like there might be some business rule with that order 500, right? Already.
yes.
So how do
Okay.
we give that sequence?
Go to business rules and click on business rules. List of the business rules we can see over here. Total 3,492, right? For all the tables. If you want to create, if you're going to creating new business rule for which table, apply the condition instant table. Total 36, okay, 36 business rules are created for instant table. So you can follow this, these all the numbers. Okay, some gimling order is right. So you can pass the any different, okay, business rule number, order number. Okay,
Okay, so there is nothing like duplicate. Suppose 100 is already there. So now
no,
if I'm
no
creating with,
problem. Actually, 100 is already there. I'm giving my like see the duplicate. Double, don't pass any duplicates. Okay,
okay, okay.
unique is always best practice.
Mhm.
Now let me deactivate all existing business rules which are created myself. Okay, these all are deactivated. I'm going to work with different business rules, right? Okay, and next one, move to documentation. So we should display information message, caller, and incident number when after creation of incident ticket. The new incident has been created by caller and incident number. So how can you display this message after creation of this ticket, right? Navigate it to incident, create new business rule, configure, and business rule. Create new one. Instant info. Advanced tab and to run. It's after pass next order number, and when you are created means insert. When you are inserted new incident number, so immediately I want to display the message on top of the record. So I'm going to display the message. So only need to be display the 1 second, guys. I'm getting call. Okay, so now I'm going to display some information when we created like a new incident ticket. Okay, so I want to display some information along with caller ID and what is one more details. Just wait. Incident number. So let me do it. See how to delete it as a like display the message. Just add info message. New incident. New incident as created by class caller ID. Current dot caller ID. So current record caller ID. I won't get it and display it. Current dot caller ID. Current dot caller ID. And then need to display the number also. So current dot caller ID get display name nothing but display like a value. Then I can display the other details. Okay. One take some space. Current dot number. Save it. Okay. And let me check in UI. Click on create new. And select this one. Guys, can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The problem is your side. Please, you can check it out. Now I'm going to creating a new incident ticket. So when you saved it means submit it, immediately the data will be saved to the table and display the message. So new incident has been created by so this person and a caller is this person, right? And it is displaying the caller ID. But I want to display the caller display name and number displaying as this. And now let me display like a display value. So how can you do it? Display value. Current caller ID dot working. Get display value. Get display value. Save it. And click on create new. Caller is, and if you take only the caller ID, it will display the ID. And then I want to display the display name. What is the display name of the user? Amos, right? And see now you can see new incident has created by the Amos link and display the incident number. So after created incident ticket, the data will be saved the database directly, then display the message. Then after business will get execute and perform the action. Okay. And next one, let's move to another exercise. Exercise number 9. Work notes field should be updated. So when you are changed assignment group value and display the information message about the assignment group updated. Not audible. Guys, now okay. Can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hemant is saying it's audible.
Yes, I am able to hear you.
Saidru also able to hear you. What about remaining people, guys? Somebody they're saying not audible, sir.
Yes, audible, sir.
It's
Yesterday,
audible.
please could you rejoin? Remaining people, if you are unable to listen my voice, please rejoin. Okay. Okay. Exercise number 9. Work notes should be updated. So when you are changed assignment group value and display information also, display one information message about the assignment group. Okay. See now, let me working with this requirement and create new business rule, configure and business rule. Create new one. Okay. So now we're going to working with after business rule. After updated, not inserted. So after updated that assignment group, immediately the respective business rule get execute, perform the action and take the work note should be update on assignment group changes. Advanced tab and after business rule, after updated. If you want to run both sometimes, you can be able to enable this one also. And advanced tab, and then we can define the code. So GS start add info message. What I have written, assignment group is updated. This ticket has been reassigned to that assignment group. This ticket or this incident has reassigned to, you can take that group and the current record assignment group, current dot assignment group and dot, I will take a display value. And next one, so I want display like I want to update the work notes field also. Then finally we need to update. Okay. So meanwhile I want to update as well. So how can you update that work notes field? So current dot work notes field. Work notes need to be update equal to, and you can take the same text. This instant as reassigned to assign to plus current dot assignment group dot get display value. Okay. And so this business will get executed when, so when you changes, okay, so need to apply the condition, right? Assignment group changes, assignment group changes. So when assignment group changes, one assignment group to other assignment group, that may be any assignment group. But if you want to run this business rule in any specific assignment group, that condition you can apply it. So when assignment group changes, then immediately this code will get executed and display the message. So this ticket has reassigned to respective group. And meanwhile, we need to update the workforce will not a specific record. And after update this record, we need to update the record, right? So current dot update, current dot update, and save it. First of all, let me create one new incident ticket. You can fulfill mandatory fields. and this ticket is assigning to network. When customer submitted, this business rule not get executed because just I'm inserting this record, right? So when you update the assignment group means when assignment group changes, saved or not, it's saved, right? Okay, so assignment group is updated, not updated, right? So default one is network, and now you're able to see activities, work notes activities. I couldn't see anything. Okay, so whenever changes network like assignment group, now I'm changing to database and save it. Once was submitted, immediately after business will get executed and display the message. So the new instance has created by Alan Morton. But when you are updated, I think previous is not updated. Now changing and saved it. Yes, this instance has reassigned to a database. Okay. So previous assignment group is network, and new assignment group is database. Okay, immediately need to display one message, and meanwhile need to update the workload field also. Yes, workload field also updated. This instance has reassigned to database. So what is the previous one? Previous one is not tracked because we need to enable the like a field. So what is the assignment group? We have to configure the field. Assignment group is not added. That's why not tracked the previous value of the assignment group. See, so the default assignment group is network. It was changes to network to database and updated work notes field also through scripting. So when customer updated means so when assignment group changes one assignment group to any other assignment group, automatically work notes will being updated. And come to exercise number 10. So when incident state changes to on hold, and on hold reason is awaiting change, immediately the system should be create one new change record. Guys, it's very important. So when customer is in the state value to on hold, and on hold reason is awaiting change, so immediately system should be create one new change record into the vegetable change table. So here we need to understand. So where we have to write the business rule, change table or instant table? Instant table only. So we have to create business rules on instant table, but glide record will be change table. Okay, and actions. What are the actions you want to perform? So current login user certain and request by. While creating the change record, we have to fulfill some mandatory field site. So requested by fulfill who is updated that particular ticket automatically. That person is set into request by. Instant short description value set into change short description, and set change type is normal, and then display information message after a created change record. Okay, so let's start working with this. This is important business rule. Okay, now right click, configure, and business rule. Create new business rule. First of all, let me check with that existing one. Open all. network issue. Just a second. All. Open any in progress ticket. So when state get changes to on hold reason is awaiting order, and you can update. Okay, and we have to fulfill the additional comment once we're submitted. So change record is not created. Why? So I did not configure any business rule. The requirement is when state changes to on hold, and on hold reason is awaiting caller, and you are submitted. Data will be saved in the table immediately. Then after business will get execute, create one change record. When not awaiting call, I think awaiting change. So when awaiting change, so whenever condition meet, immediately will be update. Create the new change record. Go to configure and business rule. Guys, in business rule maximum we can use a glide record API. And create change record in create a change record. Okay, advanced tab, and after updated, right, and advanced tab, and you can be able to apply the condition like this. Current record state changes to current dot, okay, like a state changes to something. That is a condition you can be able to through scripting as well. And here I can define condition. Okay, state changes to on hold, and hold reason, on hold reason is awaiting change. So state changes to on hold, and on hold reason is awaiting change. Then immediately create the change record and write the code, and you have to define the condition. Variable gr equal to new glide record. We are going to create a change record in which table change request, and next one gr dot initialize, and what are the field values you want to fill? Gr dot short description, current incident record short description we can copy and set into your change record as well. Short description equal to current dot current nothing but it's instant ticket. Okay, current dot short description, or else we can be able to use the set method also. Okay, and in my scripting I have written differently, so we can be able to use set method also. Okay, so if you write a set method, you can like this. See, gr dot set value method, and here we have to pass field name, short description, current short description, gr dot set value, and requested by, right, requested by, requested by. So this request by field I want to fulfill with that gs start current logging user, gs start get user id. So get user id will be get the current logging user id and set into request by field. And if you want to fill any other fields, you can be able to fulfill also. gr dot set value, and what is the change type? Which change type you want to create? The field name is type, it's normal, which change you want to create, normal change. And if you want to fill other details also, you can be able to fulfill short description and request by, and then we can insert, then display the message. Finally, I can use insert. So how to insert the record, already we seen guys, right? Just dot insert. We have to use insert method. After inserted, so I want to display the message also. And format the code start and info message, start get message of. You can be able to write the message like this. And new change has zero. Zero can be considered it's a like a current record. And I display the that change record number as well. And let me save it. This is the very important code, guys. But this moment I'm applied to change table, but they may asking on any table. So when stadia changes to something, I want to create the change request. How can we achieve this requirement? Which business rule we have to write it? First of all, let me fulfill all mandatory fields and create and save it. My business rule not get execute. Okay, other business rule get execute, display the message. Okay, and the requirement is when state get changes to on hold. On hold reason is awaiting change. Then save it. So new change has created, right? Okay. So if you want to get that like related record information, go to the like here, and change request number is not showing, but here we can be able to change record 30014 and go to change underscore change all 1045, right? Created on today. Run it. Yes. So request for new services. Okay, the change record has been created automatically into other table. Okay, but I have written the code for which table, change table, but business rule is going to executing when, so when change record state get update like a true on hold and on hold reason awaiting change. So immediately my business will get execute and create one change record. See what like a customer providing and current login user, and then change the number, change type is normal, and incident like short description automatically copied and pasted into set into short description. Clear, guys? Clear? Any questions till now? Any questions?
Yes, Srinivas, I have one question, Himanshu. Like the change record that we have created just now, right? If I want to see that in incident table below the form.
Okay. So I have created, for example,
Inst-
navigate to incident and go to all. This is my incident, right?
Yeah, because
So this
once
incident has been updated with on hold and awaiting change. Change record also already created. We've seen that. That change record you want to display in where? Very immersive.
uh, down in some of the field task SLA is there or a CI
So
or
this is called
anywhere.
a related list, right?
Yes.
So in this case, configure and a related list. First of all, we need to check is there any related list is created already. No, that related list is not available, guys. So just you can guess it. How can you display that related like a change record, which is associated to respective incident ticket? Example, so one change record has created this incident ticket, right? So once customer is updated this incident ticket, automatically system will be creating the one change when based on this condition above criteria, right? And that change record I want to display as a one related list. So in this case, we have to create one relationship. Just you can try following by the product documentation or community side. If you are unable to do it, I can show you tomorrow. Okay, Marshall? It's a very simple thing.
Okay, okay, Srinivas.
Just you can try first of all. Then I can, okay, I can show you myself.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys, remaining exercises we can working from tomorrow. Okay, guys, I'm going to end our class today.